All right, so this is the last lesson of Chapter 6, and it is on congruence. Congruence means the same. So we're going to be looking at a bunch of shapes that are the same. Correspondence is a way of matching up two sets or two objects that are congruent, that are the same thing. Write a congruence statement for each pair of polygons. Now, what I want to point out here is we're most often going to want to work from the angles. So in these two triangles, there are 30-degree angles. There are 80-degree angles. And there is an angle that's not known. Quite frankly, we don't care what it is, because the other two angles are the same in those triangles, the third angles match up. So now we just have to name these. When you're naming a triangle, you are allowed to use a symbol of a triangle. So let's just say I name this first triangle ABC for alphabetical order. The congruent sign is an equal sign with a tilde, a squiggle above it. So triangle ABC is congruent to this other triangle, but we have to be careful about how we name it. We could be lucky, it could be in alphabetical order, D, E, and F. The question is it? Well, here's how you check. Highlight, and again, I'm doing it on an iPad, but A was blue, D was blue, B is yellow, E is yellow, and C is green, F is green. Blue, yellow, green, we're good. That's the key thing. It has to match up. Whatever the first letter is has to be the same as the first letter in the second shape. So let's write another congruence statement. I'm going to do triangle BAC this time. So B is yellow, so the first letter in my second triangle has to be yellow, E. A is blue, so I need the blue from this angle, it's D. And then C is green, so I need the green angle, that's F. Okay. Next we have pentagons. So let's see, here's a 100-degree angle. Here's a 100-degree angle. This is the tricky part about congruence because they're going to rotate things. Here's 130, here's 130. Here is 85, here is 85. Here's 105, here's 105. And here's 120, here's 120. Now when we name these, for pentagon there is no symbol, we just have to use the abbreviation for pentagon, which is pent. Now this first one you can start at any point and name it any way you want to. Most people tend to go in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E. Start at one point and go around. So this time we started here and we went this way. Now, this is going to be congruent to pentagon. So let's match these up. A is green. The green angle in my second one is H. B is blue. The blue angle in my second one is I. So you saw I started here, but this time to match it, I have to travel the other way. C is yellow. J is yellow. D is pink. F is pink. E is gray. G is gray. It's just matching them up. I don't want that. Okay, let me give myself some space here so I can write without this jumping on me. So now we're being told in the quadrilateral, or in this figure, PQSR is congruent to WTUV. So, P and W have to be the same because they're both the first letters. Q and T have to be the same. They're the second letters. S and U must be the same. They're the third letters. And R and V must be the same. They are the final letters. So solve for X, Y, and Z. Okay, so let's find those things. X is here. It is the measurement of the length of the pink to yellow side. So that expression, x plus 5, has to be the same as the measurement of the pink to yellow side on the other quadrilateral, and that's 12. There's a one-step expression. What's x? X is 7. Let's find y. It's up here. 4y is on the green to yellow side. So that has to be the same as the green to yellow side of the first quadrilateral, which is 24. Quick divide by 4 to solve this. Y is 6. And then we have z, 6z specifically, and that is the pink angle, which means it must be the same as the other pink angle, which is 132 degrees. We just got to divide both sides by 6 to find that z is 22.